In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google and Great Notion support services. We'll move from a simple Google search to signing into Notion, opening Notion AI, and then landing on the progress bar examples page so you can confidently explore what's possible. Start by opening your preferred web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type the word Notion. This is the fastest way to get to the official site, even if you don't remember the exact address. When the results load, look for the official result that clearly shows the Notion website. Before you click, a quick tip. Confirm the URL includes the secure padlock and points to the official domain. This keeps you on the trusted site and avoids lookalikes. Once you're on the Notion homepage, find the Login option, usually in the top right corner. Click it to proceed. If you're on a smaller screen or a mobile browser, the Login option may be tucked inside a menu icon, so expand the menu if needed. Choose your usual sign-in method, whether that's email, single sign-on with your company account, or another supported option. Enter your credentials securely, and if you use two-factor authentication, complete that step to finish signing in. If you have access to multiple workspaces, make sure you're viewing the one you intend to use. After you're in, locate and click on Notion AI. You'll typically see prompts or an AI entry point within the interface. Notion AI can help summarize content, brainstorm ideas, and draft text directly inside your pages. If you don't immediately see it, it may appear in a toolbar or as an option when you create new content. Some workspaces need the AI feature enabled, so availability can vary based on your plan and settings. Next, click on the Progress Bar Examples page. This page showcases different ways to represent progress visually in Notion databases and pages. As you browse, notice how examples display percentages as clean, readable bars. Many demonstrations rely on properties and formulas that translate numbers into helpful visuals, which can make project tracking, habits, or milestones easier to understand at a glance. Take a moment to read any notes on the page that explain how these bars are constructed, so you can connect the underlying data to the visual output. It's a great reference if you're refining your own tracking systems. That's the full flow. Use Google to find Notion, log in securely, open Notion AI to see what it can do for you, and then explore the Progress Bar Examples page for practical inspiration. If you need more help, the platform's help and support resources are available from within Notion, so you can continue learning as you go. Thanks for watching and enjoy exploring.